Hello, Namaste, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, dietitian Shweta Himanchikle. Today we will talk about the kidneys, the function of our kidneys and how to keep the kidneys healthy. Recently on 9th of March, World Kidney Day was celebrated everywhere. So this video I am making for that World Kidney Day. Okay. So what are kidneys? Now kidneys are small kidney bean shaped organs. We have two kidneys. Every human body will have two kidneys. So these kidneys are the excretory organs of our body, which means that whenever food is digested in the digestive system, it will produce some kind of toxic material which is then collected in the urine, and then it has to be thrown out of the body. So what the kidney will do is, whenever the blood is circulating, it will pass through every organ. So when it passes through the kidneys will have small nephrons. These are the functional units of the kidneys, which means, a very simple way, it is like a cup kind of an organ inside the kidney. There are various nephrons inside the kidneys. Now these nephrons will filter out the blood, throw away the waste material and retain what is necessary and send back to the circulating blood. So this is in short, this is a very small function, but it does include a lot of chemical things which we need not understand. So what all does the nephron picks up is the blood cells, the protein material, then glucose, ketones. All these things are picked up and sent back to the blood. These are not supposed to be thrown away. What is to be thrown away is uric acid, urea, creatinine and other waste materials. And the color of the urine should be very transparent, light lemony yellow color urine. So when it is like that, that means the kidney is functioning properly and you are taking enough water. Okay, so that is what it indicates. But in case if the urine is slightly turbid in color, little opaque, or if it is dark in color, dark yellow colored urine or cola colored urine, then that means there is some material which is being leaked out of the nephrons. That means the functioning of the kidney or the nephrons is not being done properly. So this is an alarm where you should see your nephrologist or the doctor who deals with the kidney and kidney diseases. Okay, so overload of the kidneys should also not be done. Like if we take in a lot of water, like say suppose more than 3 liters, nowadays it is a fad. Okay, so everybody will keep on in the context of hydrating yourself. We should also remember that overdone something, if we do try to overdo something, that is also not good. The kidneys are then have to work multi-folds, and that actually puts pressure on the kidneys to function more. Okay, so it is going to get tired after some time. So what we should do is, moderation is the key word. So we have to understand that. So this is the test, like as I told you all, that when the urine color has to be light colored urine, and if you, no matter if you have to go to the toilet frequently, please do that. Many a times we see that people hesitate having water or any fluids when they are traveling or when they are in offices, because there is no proper toilets available anywhere. But that leads to a lot of troubles in later life. So okay, so after 40s and 45 or 50 years of age, they might develop so this might lead to some kind of urine infection at many a times, or it might lead to concentrated urine formation, which can lead to stone formation, you know. So kidney stones are formed that way. So to avoid all these things, moderation is the key. Try to drink water whenever you are thirsty, and not more than 3 liters or 3.5 liters of water per day. Okay, that is not recommended. But when there are summers, so there are conditions again. When there is summer, if you have a tendency to develop high uric acid, or if you have a tendency to form kidney stones, in that case you should be having more water. Not only water, you can have lot of fluids, you know, other fluids like coconut water, lime water. We can include a lot of kokum sharbat in the diet, or kokum water for that matter. Then we can also include a lot of buttermilk in the diet. So in various forms, try to just include or improve the fluid intake in the diet. So this way the kidneys will be healthy and it will be able to flush out the toxins out of the body, and it will keep your blood and your health healthy. Now who should be more careful, extra careful to see that the kidneys are functioning properly or no. Many a times we see that people are suffering from hypertension, diabetes, they have a recurring episodes of kidney stones or hyperuricemia, that means high uric acid levels always. Okay, no matter whatever medicines they take or whatever dietary changes they do. People who have high sodium in the diet or people who have high non-vegetarian food in the diet can develop certain kidney related issues later in life. So please be careful, watchful, and see to it that you do not overload the kidneys to function more. Because when you have more more sodium in the diet, when you have more non-vegetarian food in the diet, the toxic material which is produced after the digestion of these foods have to be flushed out of the kidneys. Okay, sodium is one thing which if it is more in the diet, it will retain more water, and if you have more water, it will also retain more sodium. So again, it is going to put extra load on the kidneys. Okay, there are certain specific levels of all these minerals which have to be maintained in the blood. So to maintain that, the kidneys play a very vital role. It will see to it that the levels are normal. In case if anything goes up and down, the kidneys will either stop filtering it or it will flush out more. Okay, so be careful. Now, what are the sodium rich foods in the diet? Usually in our day-to-day life, we have a more of somebody who has more papads, pickles, chutneys or sauces, jams, or ready to prepare mixed gravy mixes, soup mixes. All these will have a lot of sodium in it. So we have to see to that we restrict these foods in the diet. Okay, processed foods, basically anything which has more of MSG, Chinese food, sauces, everything has to be taken in limited amount. Similarly, tea and coffee has to be taken in limited amounts only. We should not get addicted to these beverages because these are very addictive, but this is not good for your kidneys. It might give you a tendency of developing kidney stones later in life. So you have to be careful. And most important thing is that if you are diagnosed with any kind of kidney ailment, or if you have first seen that you have been diagnosed with kidney stones or high uric acid levels, along with the doctor, please go and visit a qualified dietitian so that the doctor will help you cure the things immediately, but then the dietitian will tell you how to take care and see to it that these levels do not increase further in your life, and how you can maintain these levels to normal and keep a moderate intake of all such foods in the diet. Okay, so this the dietitian will be able to tell you. So this is it about the kidney day, World Kidney Day, and I wish you all a very good and a happy day ahead, and thank you so much. All those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if this video was helpful, informative for you all, don't forget to share it with your friends and hit the like button. Thank you so much.